Dr. Hotze here, and I'm with Valerie Diaz, a longtime guest of ours since September of 2008. And Valerie has a remarkable story. So Valerie, tell us what was going on in your life 10 years ago and before that led you to come into the Hotze Health and Wellness Center.
Well, at that time I was probably about 27 years old. I had just had a baby, and even way past before that time I've been having issues with depression, lots of brain fog where I couldn't function. I couldn't have my daily function.
And you were in the real estate business then too.
I had been in real estate for a good 7 or 8 years at that point, and I wasn't really able to work either. And I would avoid talking to people because I couldn't function. I couldn't have the day-to-day conversations with people. I would forget the words that I was about to say. I even got to the point that I went to a physician to see if I could get tested to see what was mentally wrong with me. Physicians would just recommend prescriptions and things like that.
Antidepressants?
Antidepressants, and it wouldn't really fix the issue.
Okay, so did you take antidepressants at that time? Did you try those?
Off and on throughout the years I did, and they wouldn't resolve anything. It would just mask the problem, in my opinion. And I really wanted to get to the root cause of the issue.
Right.
And my aunt, thankfully, told me about Hotze Wellness Center, and that's why I came.
So you came in 10 years ago, and you saw who?
Dr. Ellsworth.
Right, you saw Dr. Ellsworth, and he evaluated you and told you he thought the problems were probably a decline and imbalance in your hormones.
Yes, and the yeast issue
and
as well.
And the yeast issue, because you've been taking antibiotics quite a bit too. For what?
Because I was smoking, getting sick, and
right.
Obviously antibiotics would just come into play.
So, which is you're well aware if you listen to us that the antibiotics destroy the natural gut flora you have in your intestine, and that can cause leaky gut syndrome and a host of problems. So you had these problems. You were working. You were married. Just had a baby. So you came in, and doctor put you on a yeast-free eating program.
Mm-hmm.
Put you on some thyroid, some natural progesterone, some vitamins and minerals. How did you do?
Oh, amazing. I mean, I even remember that whenever I came in, my body temperature was so low. I was at 95 degrees temperature.
Your body temperature should be 98.6. It's 95. That's a sign of low thyroid.
Mm-hmm. And my feet would always be cold, which is a symptom of low thyroid
right.
as well. And so within 2 or 3 weeks, I hadn't even started the thyroid medication. I was going through the yeast-free diet, and I was already starting to feel like that brain fog was lifting, and just overall you start noticing little things just enhancing and getting
right.
better.
So since then you've had how many more children?
2 more. So I have a total of 3 now.
3. And you're still in real estate?
Yes. I mean,
how is improving your health? By the way, let me ask you on a scale of 0 to 10, 10 being the best you could ever feel in your life, 0 the way you were feeling. Mm-hmm. What kind of improvement have you had over the last 10 years?
I mean, words cannot describe how good I feel, and without any kind of prescriptions.
So on a scale of 0 to 10, where would
I would say 9.5. I would say really darn close to 10.
Right.
Yeah. I mean,
and you've been that way for how long?
For the last 10 years.
Now that's remarkable, because you were in a deep depression when you came in. You didn't feel well. You weren't productive in your work. How's your work done? You own your own business now, right?
Yes. So we have a real estate and a property management side of the business, and we set up the property management within 4 or 5 months of coming to Hotze.
Right.
And the reason why we were able to set it up is because I came through this program, because there's just no way I could have been able to accomplish that side. And our business has increased dramatically. I mean, we have now a staff of about 7 or 8 different employees, and we manage active properties at the moment, because obviously you sell. We manage over 200 properties, and we do a good chunk of assisting our clients in buying and selling, and so we're.
Well, I want to congratulate you on taking charge of your health and your health success. Now, you made an investment, and it's not inexpensive to come in and make an investment in your health. Has it paid off?
Oh, 10 times over. I mean, on the personal level, on the business level, everything overall. It's just life-changing. And I mean, it's one of the best decisions that I've made on my personal and business side. I mean,
Well, I
both
want to
overall.
congratulate you on your success. That's
Yes.
wonderful. Now, if you want to get on a path of health and wellness and have a life-changing, transforming health experience, then don't hesitate to give us a call. We're here to serve you.